Hey guys, welcome again and thank you for subscribing to Life. Welcome to another edition of Lifesaver How To. And today what I'm going to do is show you guys how to wash your fruits and vegetables. Some of you are very familiar. You're very familiar with making sure that you get your meats washed before you cook your meats. I just discovered, honestly, I don't want to pay for a veggie wash in the store. And all that's in there is some extra chemicals and probably not a lot of the stuff that you would think you really need. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it without getting any funky taste on it, without grit on it, and great tasting, super easy. Literally, you need 4 items, maybe even 3, and you need like 3 minutes. So, ready? Subscribe to Life starts now. Let's go. Okay, you're going to use vinegar or apple cider vinegar, an empty container, a 1/3 measuring cup, and your fruits or veggies. Fill up your measuring cup 3 times to 1 part vinegar. And they are in
Mix
the
water
it in vinegar. And I don't know if you guys can hear this, but I hear crackling and I can see that the water is getting quite dirty. Reasons to wash your fruits and vegetables, guys. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. Time to rinse and dry. Now to dry, I just put some paper towels down in a glass container. I'm not using a lot of berries today, so I'm not using my wider container. You can also use a baking sheet lined with paper towels and just let it dry for a bit. And you are ready to go. Wasn't that easy? Catch you guys next week. Bye.